close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we
Hai guys, kita lagi di tempat wisata yang ada di Maluku Tengah, tepatnya di Larike. Di sini banyak sekali spot-spot yang kalian bisa jumpai. Mungkin yang dibilang dengan tempat wisata terbaik di Maluku, ya salah satunya ini.
Masuk di Larike, namanya Pancuran Kuning.
Shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands.